Class 7. Today we are going to start with the rules of voice. Okay, voice. And in test also I have checked that two sentences of narration were given, but both of the sentences from many students are wrong. Again, we will do narration in the next class. Okay, we will have a lot of practice of narration. Similarly, for voice, today we will have the practice. First of all, in case of voice, okay, so what is their subject is made object, and object and subject, their positions are interchanged. Okay, subject, verb and object, this is the general structure of the sentence. But when we change what we do, when we change into passive, we use to write object, verb and then subject. This is the first thing that we have to do. Okay, when we have to change the voice. Okay, this is the first thing that we have to do when we have to change the voice. Okay, so now in this case, first of all, I am doing for simple present tense. You know the different rules are there. First of all, I'm writing for present tense. In case of present tense, first of all, what we have simple present tense. In case of simple present tense, no, we have subject, verb first form plus s or es and then object. Okay, in this manner we have how we change object at the start is, am, are, which form of verb, third form of verb, by and subject. Okay, suppose now I'm writing the examples. The teacher writes a diary. So here, what is the subject? The teacher writes his verb, object is a diary. So how we will change? A diary is written by the teacher. Here in class, you people give lots of answers. But in test, I don't know what happens. You people are always committing mistakes. What happened during the test with you all? For narration, so that was hopeless. Simple two sentences were given in which can should be changed into could, and as other one was present continuous, which should be changed into past continuous. Still many have done wrong. And for many good students, I have noticed that my many good students, they were writing it wrong. I don't know why. Okay. So next, for example, the teacher writes a diary. For example, the cow eats the fodder. Yes, change it. The cow eats. Okay. The mother cooks delicious cakes. Delicious cakes are cooked by the mother. Jasmine, your name. You are also no answers, but in test it was wrong narration. Why? What happened to you? What happened? Tell me. Got confused? In class, so you are giving very accurate answers. But what happened in test? Do the practice here, maximum practice here. Yes. I have sent it on your contact number. You can check. I don't remember as such. Okay. Right. I don't have the list, but I know the students. Even for Rishita, and yes, diary entry, when you are writing, you have to elaborate it. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss the test after checking of all the tests. Okay. What were the general mistakes and how it can be improved. Okay. The students make class charts. Change it. Because charts is plural, so what we are using are. The class charts are made by the students. Okay, class charts are made by the students. So this is present tense, simple present tense. So what are the rules of simple present tense? Speak again. Is, am, are, verb, third form of verb, and then you are using object. Now coming up to present continuous tense. Huh? We will do negative. First of all, I think you will have complete revision of simple tenses. Okay, because ultimately you get confused, and I don't like when you don't get good marks. Right? Next one is present continuous tense. In present continuous, what we have? Subject, is, am, and then we have object. When we change into passive, object, is, am, are, what we introduce while replacing ing? Being. Huh? No? That I will tell you. Okay, you will get to know. So, object is, am, are being third form by subject. Okay. That was listening test. Now you have your first revision test. This is which was going to be held on Monday one. You have taken it on Tuesday. Now next Monday you are having your second revision test. Okay, in which you will have your writing skills also. Yes, it is because of this. Suppose the farmer is plowing the fields. Speak the answer. The fields. Yes, the fields are being plowed by the farmer. The fields are being plowed by the farmer. Next, suppose students are writing imperative sentences. Speak again. Imperative sentences are being written by the students. Next, suppose is plowing the fields. Okay, next, suppose the ladybug is sucking the nectar. The nectar is being sucked by the ladybug. Yes, the nectar is being sucked by the ladybird. Suppose next one. The thief is stealing the gold ornaments. Yes, the gold ornaments are being stolen by the thief. Now you are giving right answers, but when I will give in test na, then you will give wrong answers. है ना? Pawan, you haven't got your test as yet ना? अभी आपकी turn नहीं आई होगी. Don't worry. I will check. अगर आपका wrong हुआ ना, तो मैंने आपको 10 times बोलना है. फिर मेरे को rule सुनाओ. Because you are very good student and I don't expect you will make any mistake. And when I checked Krishna, your test, I was so disappointed. Answers you are also not writing. You are writing very short answer, like one line only, like a small kid. Okay, when you get time, write the answers again, write the test again and send it back to me. I will see again. Okay, this way so your attempt is wasted. Next is we are having present perfect tense. Has, have, which form of verb, third, and then we have object. And when we change into passive, has, have, been, by, subject. Okay, now we are doing just simple ones. कि तो अभी तो आपको tough वाले आने हैं. When you will have prepositions, when you have imperative sentences, then right, you are not writing anything in your notebook. You are not writing anything in your notebook. Why? Open it out. Suppose the postmaster has delivered the letters. The letters have been delivered by the postmaster. The cook has prepared the party menu. Yes. The party menu has been prepared by the cook. The woodcutter has cut the log of wood. Stop. Wrong. Three forms: cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Yes, the log of wood has been cut by the woodcutter. The peon has rung the bell. Yes, right. The bell has been rung by the peon. Okay. Similarly, next we have present perfect continuous tense. There again has, have, according to you. Okay, we don't have for present perfect continuous tense. Now coming up to past tense, we are doing narration. I forgot that we are doing narration. Okay, next afterwards we are going to do past tense. Let us see for past tense. 1 minute. First of all, simple past tense. In case of simple past tense, in active what we have second form of verb and then we have object. How we'll change into passive? Object, the father earned livelihood. Livelihood was earned by the father. The mother livelihood was earned by the father. The floor was swept by the mother. Okay. The birds built their nests. Sorry, write down the nest. The nests were built by the birds. Okay, right? Now you are doing right. अब जब मैं टेस्ट में डालूंगी फिर रॉन्ग कर देना सारे. Next is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Now in case of past continuous tense, what we have? Subject, was, were, and how we change into passive? Was, were, being, third form of verb by. For example, the sky was pouring cold water. Yes, cold water was being poured by the sky. The little child was making pranks. The pranks were being made by the child. The girl was making silly excuses. Silly excuses were being made by the girl. Okay, so this is continuous tense. Next, we are having past perfect tense. What we have? We have subject, no has have, only had, verb third form, and then we have object. How we are changing into had, been, and by subject. For example, the child had spoiled the plan. By the child. The butler had baked. By the butler. Butler. The boy. By the boy. So next, in case of future tense, just remember will into, shall into, can into, That is in narration. That is in narration. You got confused. Can into can be. May into may be. Might into might be. Okay, you always get confused in this. This is the reason why I have written. Okay, now let me ask you some of the examples. Okay, you people will tell me. Now let me ask you some of the examples. Past perfect we have done, this I have told. For future, will change into will be and shall will change into shall be. Okay, let me ask you. The man cut the tree. Yes, the man cut the tree. Stop. I'm not understanding. The man cut the tree. Stand up, speak now. You will tell me the man cut the tree. Why had been? Stop. Wrong answer. Yes, Kanish. Why was? 1 minute. Stop. Why was? Why you are putting was? Tell me. You must have reason. Yes, Bhavya. Both are correct. That suppose it is given. So cut here can be first. It cannot, sorry, is cannot be true, because if this is to be singular, here it must be with s or es. It is not, so it is in past tense. Okay, so the tree was cut by the man. Krishna, you were wrong. Why? Let me tell you. You said had been. Is there any use of has or have or had? No, no, then why we are putting it? And Kanish, you know each and everything. You said, ma'am, yes, I know. Why will? Is there any will? This is the reason why I always tell you to come to the first seat. You are very good student, but I don't want the answer to be wrong. Yes, please.